and Emma here. So we're going to be showing the Little Life Pets birdies.
And I got a new one.
Okay, this is new. She got it yesterday. Its name is Hope, and it has a cute tiara on its head.
Hi, I'm Hope.
So they're cute with specs. I'm not going to cut this one on right now because it's hard to turn it off. And this is my bird's playset. It came with the car right there. And its name is Kiara.
Mine has a swing. I have to go her in, close this, and take it to swing.
And that's totally cool. The food can actually come out, can't it?
Yes, I'll show you.